bouncing high and landing light. Wiggly tail, oh what a sight! Two cats chase a butterfly. Leaping up, they touch the sky. Swirling, twirling, round they go. Fast and playful, to and fro. Three cats stretch and start to run. Zipping, zooming, just for fun. Through the garden, fast they race. Whiskers twitching, what a chase! Four cats curl up in a row. Cozy tails in a fluffy show. Purring, purring, soft and bright. Dreaming dreams of stars at night. Five cats climb a tree so tall. Balancing, they never fall. One by one they reach the top. Peeking down before they hop. Six cats bounce on pillows round. Jumping high then floating down. Landing softly, spinning bright. Fluffy clouds make beds so light. Seven cats play with balls so small. Rolling, bouncing down the hall. Colors flying, paws so quick. Bat and chase, then do a trick. Eight cats nap on a big warm rug. Cuddled close for a snuggly hug. Soft and sleepy, eyes shut tight. Dreaming of the stars so bright. Nine cats dance in the morning sun. Hopping, spinning, having fun. Swishing tails and tapping paws. Twinkle toes, hear the applause. 10 cats cheer and sing along. Meowing loud their counting song. Jump and wiggle one by one. Counting cats is so much fun.